This week's featured listing is at 9605 Bellechase Road. It is a fantastic home. I cannot wait to show it to you. Stay tuned. We are going to start outside at this house. This is 9605 Bellechase Road. This is an in-ground gunite swimming pool that's got this fantastic cover over it because it's October. And so it is just, the leaves are falling, the pecans are falling, but it's a beautiful, beautiful pool. So right behind this house is a 6.5 acre ranchette. So this is going to be the closest you're going to have to having a neighbor behind you. So ladies, those of you that are over 50 that still want to wear your bikini, this house is for you. This is a Generac system, which is a full house generator, and it's got a 500-gallon propane tank, which provides power to that generator. We've got this awesome workshop over here inside this workshop, and there is a full 2-car garage. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. We're going to go in through the sunroom. Nice sunroom. This house was built in 1977, but it still had some great updates to it. Beautiful, beautiful floors with a sunken floor. In here, we've got 1882 square feet. This is the updated kitchen. Look at those fantastic windows. Ooh, it's beautiful. We're going to go over here to this side of the house. We've got bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3 over here. We've got another full bath. We've got a laundry room complete with a sink. Then on the opposite side is this master bedroom with a vanity area to put your makeup on. His and her sinks, potty, shower. And then I want you to see the front of the home. It is a super windy October day. Beautiful views of the Brazos River. And look at this brand new cedar post. This house is cute as a button. If you're interested, reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you and give you a private tour. Thanks for watching.